Yo, so I got a public service announcement, but before I get to that, I want to show off these made by Jimmy Boy, you know what I'm saying? He flexed up on that one. But I want to make a public service announcement. For these past couple days, I seen like there's a couple females that are trying to expose me or some shit. Like, there's a lot of you. Like, I can't even name certain. There's a lot of you. Yo, like, have a little bit more respect for yourselves. And I say that in a way because y'all need to get past that it was just like a one-day thing. You know what I'm saying? And not to be disrespectful, because I have a lot of respect for females, but yeah, I don't belong to any of y'all, and I think y'all know that, and I think it hurts y'all. You know what I'm saying? But just try to get past it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all is like, yo, he belongs to me. He belongs to me, bitch. Fuck you. Like, I don't belong to any of y'all. You know what I'm saying? And it's just have a little bit more respect for yourself, right?